Hey, what's going on, everybody? El Presidente, UPRC Outlaws. Bringing you a video that I was supposed to wait for the legend or Appy or everyone. They were going to do one with me, but to be honest, I can't wait. I picked up a new truck, one that I've spoke about before. This unboxing video tag will look similar to the one that Appy did. I will be unboxing my SCX24 Deadbolt. This is, out of the 10 scale trucks even, this was one of those trucks that I always like the look of it. I collect action figures and stuff, so this was the perfect truck that I'm going to put some action figures in. I have some that are that size, and I didn't get the 10 scale of this ever. I thought about it. It's always been on my rotation if I ever do pick up another 10th scale, because I know the Axial stuff is awesome. But for now, I got the 124th. We're prepping for the cold weather months here soon. It's going to hit us faster than we want, so try to get a few guys in our club to pick up some of these. These will be perfect for the basement. If you watch the previous one, Appy's unboxing, you'll see it doesn't take much to have a good time with these. So without further ado, get right to it. Another one of them trucks. I explained it in Appy's, but it actually shows it right here. It's that portal differential I was talking about, where it comes in on the top and it actually runs like a portal down into the axle itself, so, or into the differential up the axles. But all right, so here we go. This one box is a little messy, and it looks like it came with free snacks. The legend actually stopped and picked this up for me as I was getting ready to go out and play our Casinos Battle of the Bands with Dying World. So he picked it up, and he kept saying it came with popcorn. I didn't know what that meant. It came with popcorn. I did slide the truck out before, but everything else I had not touched yet. So, put that off to the side. I'm in a tight little spot here. I'm on my RC workbench, so not a whole lot of room. Been doing the SMT builder's kit, so I've had parts all over the place. So like the last one, nothing else in the box. Hopefully all the parts are there. What you get in these is, like you've seen, comes with the little remote, the AX4 transmitter. Nothing there. I know it has batteries. Okay, there we go. So it comes with batteries for the transmitter, extra links, your normal little tool selection, one extra body clip, and one extra shaft. I don't know if it's a drive shaft or the half shaft for it, but one extra shaft, and of course the owner's manual. Always read the manual, because I don't, and I usually end up screwing something up. But it actually comes with the battery already in it. So they give you for the charger, it's a little USB thing into the LiPo pack charger. So that way your LiPo doesn't overcharge, cause a fire, who knows what else. So I'm unprepared because I just want to play with this. See if I can find something to get this off. Don't pull an Appy, and don't use a straight edge knife, anything like that. When cutting zip ties out of things, use like wire cutters are good. Sometimes you can use a pair of scissors. Don't use straight knives, you end up shoving it through, or that's how you end up losing a finger. So safety first, kids. All right, give me my truck. Oh, there it is with more popcorn. So, all right. Here it is, all shiny and new in all of its glory. And this might screw up, but there we go. Get a little light on it here. Now it makes it look white. That's way too bright. Yeah, so you got the little guy in there, and the interior is just a flat. So gonna have to do some modifications. Might have to put a few stormtroopers or something in there. The hood scoop, and yeah, see in the rear end, the drive shaft actually comes in on the top here, drops down, and that's front and back. I believe that I said on Appies it was just the rear, but it's front and back. Tires, just full of air, but like with this little thing, I mean, set it down and there's nothing to it. This is, I don't know, a few ounce truck, there's nothing to it. So I don't have to worry about that, so I'll shut this off because that's bright. Pull the pins, it's another one of those trucks, comes with the headlights and everything. The Jeep had the one clip, Deadbolt has the two clips, but as you can see, it's pretty much the same exact truck underneath the body. And this one as well comes with the holes on the back for the posts. All right, turn the stupid light on again. Comes with the posts in the back, so you can actually put the towers in if you want to do like I think the truck body, something's got to use the posts, I don't know. This one has the two side posts. They come up on a weird angle for the body on the front. The other one, I didn't even look at it that well. I was just so excited. But yeah, and you can, all the replacement parts are out there for these. You can get the metal parts. Pretty much get everything for them like you could with the big trucks. And Appy didn't show his remote, but it's pretty wild the way you put the batteries in this thing. Pops open, drop them in there. That's why on his I said it was like a shotgun. Put them in there and lock it up. So, oh geez, usually I don't peel that off right away. So yeah, I'm not sure what the comparison will be, because I mean it's an SCX, so it should be similar to Appy's. The reason why I wanted the Deadbolt so much too is just all the room. You don't have to worry too much about body rub on stuff if you get bound up. Usually these are pretty good. So you don't really want to grease these or oil the shocks too much, because you might have a chance of going over something and having it just stick up and stay that way, because they are so light. So, all right, I'll get her hooked up here and take it for a quick test run. All right, here it is. Pretty bright lights. I plugged it in, went back and forth with it real quick. The battery is not as charged as the one that was in Appy's, but on low, I already can't make it over these, but I have action figures, so instead of making a sweet little Appy course, I decided I'll just see if we can run over some guys here. Oh, we're gonna tip her over right away. Get scratches on it. Hey, there's the guy. Oh, just like Appy's. Big John over there. Let's see if we can get up him. Yeah, I mean, the action figures aren't the best thing to show us off on, but if I get George Animal Steel's arm here, we'll make it. Oh, I think we got it. Got it. For all you collectors out there, don't worry, I have doubles and triples of all these figures. That's why they're the ones. All right, that was something my 10 scale would be. It'd be hard for that to do for that high up. But yeah, all in all, just these are Great little basement crawling things, desktops. I mean, kind of the truck you can take wherever you want to go. Probably just be careful how you transport it, because there's a lot of small parts. But yeah, so there's the Deadbolt, and like I showed you, not I showed you, but Appy showed you on the other video. Yeah, the remote has different settings for different speeds right on it. All your steering's there. Does have extra channels. You can reverse everything. Has the extra bind button, so if it for some reason you lose bind, but like the low, medium, and high. So medium and high almost look the same right now, just because this battery is getting down there already. It pulled out of the box, didn't even charge it, so I'm sure you'll see a few basement bash videos with these kind of trucks here, because these are pretty neat. Got it. That's how we play with RCs. We just smash them all over things. And uh-oh, there's the ceiling. See Darth Maul up there. Yeah, if you ever want us to do a review on a truck, we're pretty good at smashing them up. So we just try to get the full capacity out of all of our RC trucks. But, all right, so yeah, I recommend if you're into the crawling or you haven't done the crawling thing, the Legend RC podcast. Him and I talked about these briefly at the end of our crawler talk thing. That's one of our members, the Legend Ryan. He has his own podcast, which I frequently co-host with them, which is cool. But these trucks here, they're just over $100, which might seem like a lot for this truck here, but this is an all-time four-wheel drive, meant to crawl, meant to climb up stuff kind of truck. You can get these for just over $100, I believe. I think the retail is $109 on the Deadbolt. Oh, let's see here. $109. I don't want to say much, but usually you get a little deal if you've already bought something at Gromax in our town. So Gromax, $109.99. Parts are cheap. Extra batteries are like $10. We have not, I think I've seen one battery die, but that was on Appy's, I believe. And he had played with his all day long, it seemed like. By the time we got back over there again, he had just finally killed the battery. I don't know what the run time is on the batteries though. If you're just crawling around this little stuff here, usually these last quite a while. So, but yeah, stop in the Gromax on Iron Mountain, or anybody that deals with Horizon Hobbies. That's where these go through now. So yeah, grab one. Deadbolt. Catch you next time.
Grow your hobbies with Gromax.